You made it this far, so don't give up now. Welcome to the Hood Real Estate Guide, where we show you how to turn these houses into cash. This video is going to focus on the estimated repair costs, aka the price to get the work right, which is the sixth step in our wholesaling process. If you didn't catch our first 5 videos, make sure you check them out as we give away crucial information when it comes to wholesaling. If you're a blank canvas when it comes to the wholesale game, hit the subscribe button and notification bell to receive our videos on the complete process of wholesaling. Let's get to hustling. Before we get started, we will not be paying for any other repair costs. This is just the value that we need to calculate our max offer. Don't run away, you ain't gotta pay. But in all seriousness, the estimated repair cost, aka the price to get the work right, is nothing more than the calculation for how much it will cost to fix the property. There is a formula for beginners that you can use until you become more experienced in estimating these costs. Don't worry, we ain't finna do no hard mathematics like we applied to Harvard. Let's keep it simple. Estimated repair costs come in 3 levels. Level 1 is cosmetic rehab, which includes landscaping, paint, flooring, cleaning, etc. The estimated cost of repair is $20 per square foot. So if the property is 1,000 square feet, the estimated repair cost will be $20K. Level 2 is level 1 plus an updated kitchen and bathroom. The estimated cost of repair is $30 per square foot. You do not have to add the $20 per square foot from level 1, as it is already included in the $30 per square foot estimated cost. So if the property is 1,000 square feet, the estimated repair cost will be $30K. Level 3 is level 1 and level 2 plus some high price repairs such as HVAC, roofing, and extreme plumbing. This estimated cost of repair is $40 per square foot. Once again, you do not have to add the $20 per square foot from level 1 and the $30 per square foot from level 2, as it is already included in the $40 per square foot estimated cost. So if the property is 1,000 square feet, the estimated cost will be $40K. In our next video, we will show you how to plug this into our max offer calculation. So let's recap. We don't have to pay for any repairs when we are wholesaling, but we must know the estimated repair cost value to calculate our max offer for the property. Estimated costs come in 3 levels. Level 1 is $20 per square foot for cosmetic rehab, such as paint, flooring, landscaping, cleaning, and etc. If the house is 1,000 square feet, estimated repair cost is $20K. Level 2 is $30 per square foot for level 1 plus an updated kitchen and bathroom. For calculation purposes, you do not have to add the estimated repair cost of level 1 to the $30 per square foot estimated repair cost, as it is already included. If the house is 1,000 square feet and qualifies for level 2 repairs, the estimated repair cost is $30K. Level 3 is $40 per square foot for level 1 and level 2 plus high price repairs such as HVAC, roofing, and extreme plumbing. Once again, we do not have to add level 1 and level 2 to the estimated cost per square foot because the amount of $40 per square foot already has it included. If the property is 1,000 square feet, the estimated repair cost will be $40K. Do you feel like we simply explained the estimated repair costs and how we only need this number to calculate the max offer? Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you found this information useful. In our next video, we will be tying things together from our first 6 videos and showing you how to calculate a max offer using a max offer formula, aka the most I can pay for the work. But until next time, this is your Hood Real Estate Guide.